Could your next smartphone finally charge in the time it takes to finish your morning coffee? That's what people are asking after a new leak revealed just how fast the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra might power up. According to reliable sources, Samsung is about to make a serious leap in charging speed with its next flagship, and if the numbers are true, the difference from last year's model could be bigger than expected. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to come with support for 60-watt charging, which is a clear upgrade over the 45-watt charging speed on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. That's roughly a 33% increase in charging power, and this change could cut down charging time by about 25%. A trusted tipster from Weibo, known as Ice Universe, shared that Samsung's official figures show the Galaxy S26 Ultra's 5,000 mAh battery can charge up to 75 to 80% in just 30 minutes. But there's more. He also believes Samsung is playing it safe with those estimates, and in actual use, the phone might reach up to 90% in the same amount of time. To compare, the Galaxy S25 Ultra can charge up to around 72% in 30 minutes, so if the leak is accurate, the S26 Ultra could become the fastest charging Galaxy Ultra phone to date. And while it's true that some Chinese flagship phones still charge even faster, this move from Samsung is definitely a big improvement for people who don't want to wait around for their phone to power up. Now, while Samsung hasn't shared how long it takes to fully charge the S26 Ultra from 0 to 100%, most tech watchers agree that it could be done in around 45 minutes. That would be a major win for anyone who often forgets to charge overnight or needs a quick top-up during a busy day. A big battery with fast charging is something people have been asking for, especially since many of us are using our phones more than ever, whether it's for work, school, entertainment, or travel. Having a reliable battery that charges quickly can make a huge difference in day-to-day life. And while the phone's other features are still under wraps, the battery and charging speed already give us a strong hint that Samsung is trying to balance power and practicality in its next big launch. With leaks about the new One UI 8.5 also showing up online, it looks like Samsung is working to improve both the software experience and hardware features this year. If these changes hold true, the Galaxy S26 Ultra might become one of the most well-rounded phones in Samsung's lineup, not because it's doing something completely new, but because it's doing the right things better. Faster charging is just one part of the story, but it's a very important one for most people. If you're someone who's always on the move or just hates being tied to a charger, then this news should make you look forward to what's coming next. So, what do you think? Is faster charging enough to get you excited about the S26 Ultra, or are you still waiting to see more features before making up your mind? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this update helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the latest tech news. **